Welcome back. So before we go into the course, I would like to introduce you to a term called OpenScript. You would be hearing a lot of this term in the entire course. So let's see what is OpenScript. It is basically an IDE where you can build your scripts. That is, it gives you an option to record scripts or playback the scripts, or you can update the scripts in this IDE, that is the integrated development environment. So this IDE has been built on top of Eclipse platform. So it's actually, we can say, a plugin on top of Eclipse. Well, this comes with the support of Java. So the entire OpenScript is, based on Java programming language. I'm assuming by now you have fair amount of knowledge using Java. If not, I would strongly recommend to uh, get trained on Java. I think there'll be many courses in both Udemy or any other, YouTube or other kinds of platforms. Okay, let's get into the next video.